Alright everybody, we're about to start the first project in the Uno Arduino starter kit. My cameraman's going to be doing the work. I'm cameraman today. There's the Arduino. It comes with this that orange piece of plastic you see there. There's some specs right there on the Arduino. The orange board there on the desk, it's got some pieces in the center that we're going to pop out, and it's a base for the Arduino. So we're going to pop these out, and it's like a little stand. There's kind of some feet that pop out, and they go in the, if you can see on the corners, there's 3 holes. They attach there. And then that area where a lot of stuff needs to be popped out, that's where the Arduino is going to screw onto the plastic base. And then right now where we're popping out those little critters, the breadboard actually will mount right onto there. So the breadboard will be right next to the Arduino, which is going to be very convenient for working on this project. This thing looks like it's pretty well built. I mean, looks a little difficult popping these out. Some of these items that are getting popped out of the main plastic sheet there, I guess they're going to be used for other projects. So you guys will see us using those in other videos. Like I said, there's 15 projects in the book. You can see the feet just press right in there. They seem to go in pretty firm. I was kind of worried that they might fall out, but it doesn't look like they're going to fall out. Pretty snug. Alright, we got the feet on the base, and now we're going to screw the Arduino onto the board. Alright, you can see the screws on nice, and we'll snug those on. We'll snug them all up at the end after we know it all lines up. Alright, as you can see, we got the Arduino mounted onto the base, and now we're going to attach the breadboard, which is packed nicely in the box. I gotta say, all the boxes are really labeled nice. Everything is very nice on this kit. The only thing, when we mounted that on there, you can't really tell from here, but there was a pin on the bottom, a through hole that was soldered, but it stuck out so far that it doesn't set flat. The Arduino doesn't set flat on the orange base in the front. You can see where there's a spot to plug in AC power, which is fine. I mean, it's secured to it. It's not going anywhere. It just, it's not as pretty as we'd like it to be, but it is what it is. So here's our breadboard, and I think it has self-adhesive tape on the back that we have to peel off. I'm going to show everybody on the camera. See, it peel right off nice. And just line it up and put it next to it on there. Put a little firm pressure, and it's on there. Nice. Now it'll be like super easy to work on when you're putting jumpers back and forth between the breadboard and the Arduino. Next, in the instructions that they had given us, we need to download the Arduino IDE. And we're going to do that right now on our computer. Alright, now we've got the IDE all installed on the laptop, and we're going to plug the Arduino in and get it ready. It came with a USB cable, and it should draw the power right from the USB, and the green light should come on. And there we go. The green light came on. I don't know if you can see it in the video there. It's on. There. And now we're going to go ahead and open up the IDE. Alright, we got the Arduino hooked up to the IDE and we tested it, and it works. We did a blink program like I suggested in the book. It made an LED on the board blink. Now we're going to go through the projects. The first project is use the breadboard in the Arduino to set up a switch and an LED, and then to set up a switch in parallel and a switch in series. We're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll show you our progress. Alright, we got that all wired up. The first project was to have the one LED light. We used a tact switch, a 220 ohm resistor, some jumper wires, and that was part one of the first project, and it works. I don't know if you can see that red LED lighting up in the video or not, but it's working. The next step of the project is you want to add a switch in parallel, a second switch in parallel, and then a second switch also wired in series. And we're going to go ahead and work on those, and then we'll show you. Alright, so we did the second part there. We have our switches in series, and you want to go ahead and push those switches? You can see that red LED going on and off. That was the second project in part one. Now we're going to go ahead and do the parallel circuit one, which is, you can see this book here. By the way, this book is great. Everything's really detailed. It has schematics. It has actual pictures with a breadboard. Really easy to follow instructions. This is a fantastic kit so far. It's really good for someone trying to learn Arduino. We're going to go ahead and work on the next part now for the parallel circuit, and then we'll be right back. Alright, we just completed the parallel circuit. Those two switches are in parallel. We're going to demonstrate that. You can see that, we can see that LED lighting up in here. But that was the third little experiment in the first section. That's the end of the first project in this book. Pretty simple, pretty basic stuff. Teaching parallel in series circuits, and it is pretty fun. So our next video will be the second one in the book, and I'll tell you what it's called. It's called Spaceship Interface. It says it takes about 45 minutes, level 1 project. So we're going to do that one next time. Thanks for watching, and we'd like it if you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and we'll see you soon. Have a good one.